Over the past few years, Microsoft Dynamics 365 has emerged as one of the fastest growing business applications, significantly trending in the market. Dynamics 365 combines CRM and ERP capabilities into a single cloud-based solution that enhances business processes and drives digital transformation. Considering Microsoft's investment into product, its new enhancements powered by innovative features, AI capabilities like Copilot and its market-friendly license pricing make the product more unique. I would say there is a promising career opportunities for Dynamics 365 professionals, from functional consultants and developers to solution architects and project managers. The demand for skilled professionals in this domain is increasing. Dynamics 365 as of now is a niche skill. Companies across various industries are seeking experts to help them leverage Dynamics 365 for improved customer engagement, streamlined operations, and insightful data analytics. So, who are its competitors? Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, and many more. However, its seamless integration with other Microsoft products such as Azure and Office 365 or M365 gives it a competitive edge, providing a familiar and efficient ecosystem for users. I would say if you are a BA, domain consultant, or a developer who know or can learn Microsoft technologies and want to get into product consulting and implementation, considering a career in Dynamics 365 can be a smart move due to its growing adoption, the diverse career paths it offers. Learning Dynamics 365 not only opens doors to numerous job opportunities but also equips you with the expertise to drive digital transformation leveraging Microsoft technologies. In this video, I will quickly give you an overview of how you can learn and master Dynamics 365. So what is Microsoft Dynamics 365? Microsoft Dynamics 365 is an integrated, intelligent suite of enterprise resource planning and customer relationship management applications offered by Microsoft. Within Dynamics 365 umbrella, you have two areas. One is customer relationship management applications and ERP applications. And these customer relationship management applications are part of Power Platform, which is a low-code, no-code platform offered by Microsoft. And ERP applications are part of lifecycle services offered by Microsoft. And soon, in a couple of years, this ERP applications as well will be part of your Power Platform. So you'll be able to extend your ERP applications more easily in a low-code, no-code way using Power Platform as well. Even now you can do that, but the core applications offered by ERP, right, are based on lifecycle services. So you can actually connect your core ERP applications to a Power Platform. You need to do that additional activity of connecting these applications. Like if you want to connect CRM applications to the ERP applications as part of your integration. So Microsoft also offers a product called dual write integration, where the out of the box integration of these two CRM applications will be happening, because ERP uses its own database, CRM uses its own database, which is called as Dataverse. Dataverse is part of Power Platform. ERP uses its own database, which is part of Lifecycle Services. So to integrate these two databases, you have to connect them together through dual write, right? So that is how they set up right now. But in future, Microsoft has a plan to bring these ERP apps as well into the Power Platform. In such scenarios, all these concepts like dual write, LCS, lifecycle services, etc. will become obsolete by then. It will take a couple of years. It is a long journey for Microsoft. So that's how that's the current space Dynamics 365 is in. And enter all this setup, right? Dynamics 365 setup is hosted on Azure, which is Microsoft's cloud offering. So we have seen what is Microsoft Dynamics 365 and what are the major categories within the Dynamics 365, which is CRM applications and ERP applications. Okay, So here, if you go and see the Microsoft.com website, and I'm in Dynamics 365 section. So the products offered by Microsoft Dynamics 365 are sales, customer service, marketing, commerce, supply chain, business central, HR, finance, and project management. So which are the CRM applications out of this? Sales is the CRM application, which manages lead to order management, including opportunity codes, product catalog, the lead scoring, sales enhancements, sales productivity improvement, all those stuff. Basically focused on sellers. Service, customer service, which is basically predominantly focused on case management with the omni-channel integration. So that means customers can send their queries or complaints through any channel, right? Like WhatsApp or email or through via call or any channel or social media. So all those omni-channel the channels can be integrated to this application, and here you can manage those cases right from the creation of the cases to the resolve until it resolves and customer is satisfied. And marketing is your normal marketing application where you manage your entire email marketing activities, SMS marketing activities, in-app marketing, event management, webinar management. All those activities which are part of marketing can be managed from this one single application. Okay, and this is part of CRM. Now we also have within the service we have field service, which is also one of the predominant CRM application, which is part of customer service, which is field service. What does field service do? Field service is the application to manage your company's field stuff. For example, you bought a washing machine, okay, so you have some issue with that, so you call your washing machine company and they have to send you a technician to your house. So for such organization to manage their technicians' work allocation, their the transport, all those activities, right? Field service activities, you can manage it using the field service, right from the case creation, work order creation, and the technician going to the customer place where he repairs the system and he gets the payment and sign off. These are the kind of flow offered by the field service, and field service is backed by the remote assist as well, where field service can have a virtual call from the customer location to their headquarters to fix any issues in the machineries if he is not able to fix it. So it's a more advanced the advanced application where more capabilities provided to fix those things via remotely. Okay, so these are the major CRM applications. So now coming to ERP applications, you have finance application. Finance manages your basically your journaling, bank management, account management, invoices, all those stuff, anything related to finance. Okay. Second is your supply chain management. Supply chain management is will help you to manage your product information management, inventory management, your discrete manufacturing related activities, anything related to managing your products and logistics. Okay, and third one is your commerce application. Commerce application helps or acts as your back-end application when you have a volume-based business like e-commerce or retail store or whatever, right? It manages your loyalty management, retail, the stores, product management, your e-commerce site management, all those stuff. Okay, so what else is left is HR. HR is your the human resources management system, which will help you to manage the things from right from your onboarding your resources to till he leaves your organizations. The complete HR stuff can be managed using the HR module offered by the Microsoft. And project management earlier it was called as project service automation, and it was part of Microsoft Dynamics 365 C applications or CRM applications. But right now it is part of ERP applications, because it also integrates with the ERP for invoices, etc. So in a nutshell, for a project-based services organizations, right, where the organizations offer their service as a project, right, they can use this project management applications right from the lead creation. For example, a telecom company or infrastructure, the technical infrastructure company whose job is to implement infrastructures, right? So which will take to implement such infrastructures, it will take 6 months, 4 months, etc. So what will happen is from lead to project completion. So as a organization, I will have to I can create a lead for that particular project. I will go and talk to, we can do a project for you. In this area, we can install this infrastructure in your premise. We can do the project for you, and this complete lead management, lead to opportunity, quote, everything. So finally the organization proposes the estimate, everything to the customer, and customer agrees, and the project starts. And that complete management of that project afterwards can be done in this project management. See, once the project execution is complete, project is closure. So basically lead to quote, and then contract creation, from the contract to the project execution, then project closure. All these activities can be managed in the project management applications. So these are the overall idea, the high level idea I have given to you to understand what these applications mean. Okay, and there is one more set of application I have actually forgot to include here, the small and medium businesses. So focusing on the small and medium businesses, Microsoft also offers Business Central as is another product. It is a complete packaged ERP. You have all these features of supply chain management and finance, and some aspects of commerce as well. Maybe, I'm not very sure, but basically your supply chain and finance and your sales and marketing flavors are present in the the Business Central. So for small businesses, this is one single application which they can actually manage. So this is the Business Central. So from a career perspective, right? So if you want to master, or if you want to get into Dynamics 365 space, which product you'd like to master first? So that is the main question you may be getting right now after watching the videos so far, right? So basically you have to decide based on your current experience, that whether you want to pursue a career in Dynamics 365 CRM area or ERP area. CRM area is also very hot, and ERP area is also very hot. In fact, it is because of its latest offerings, Copilot and AI powered offerings, ERP area also has become hot. Okay, so you can actually choose which set of products you want to learn. Okay, so if your past experience is more of the CRM management or sales, customer service, in those areas, then you can actually start learning sales, customer service, or etc. And if you are into a more of a ERP related aspects, product management, finance area, you can master any of these applications. Now, so there are two aspects now. Okay, so if you are mastering CRM applications, right? Now let's first focus on CRM. Okay, then I will come to ERP. So if you want to master CRM applications, you cannot master this product all at once, right? So you have to start one by one. Okay, see, sales, service, marketing and field service, these are all small applications. So it is not vast like ERP. For example, finance application is a very vast application. For example, your supply chain, it's a very vast application. So if one wants to become a consultant, functional consultant or a technical consultant or a developer, whatever it is, right? So he can become a functional consultant or a technical architect or a solution consultant in any one of these applications in ERP space, like supply chain, commerce or finance. Okay, because each of these modules are very vast. I mean, there are some people who know one or more modules, one or more modules. That's different case. If once you master any of these applications, you can get into other set of applications and you can master them as well, or you can have a high level understanding of those applications. So that is how it works in ERP. So now coming back to CRM, see, this sales, service, marketing and this field service are small applications. You can quickly learn them, right? You can quickly learn them, you can understand their concepts, and you can be master of those products, right? So you can start from learning sales. Okay, complete sales. What are the product capabilities offered by Microsoft with respect to this sales product, then service product, okay, and field service. These three are the hotcakes products. Okay, and marketing, yes, you can leave it for the end. Okay, so for the next few months, maybe 6 months, you can have a plan to learn these sales, service, marketing and field service applications. Okay, so that is if you want to be part of, or if you want to master the CRM applications or CE applications offered by Microsoft. Now, if you want to become a SCM consultant or a finance consultant, HR or commerce consultant, then learning this one application itself will take a couple of months for you. Okay, minimum 1 month if you 100% focused on that task, or 2 months, 2 months, 3 months you can learn. Okay, it's not it will take years. Obviously, if you want to be a very good consultant, it will take years. So you can learn those. Okay, so you based on your interest and your current experience, you can choose any of these applications. For example, if you are strong in finance, you can master the finance first, and you can have a high level understanding of commerce and supply chain applications. Okay, and if you are strong in supply chain aspects, or if you want to learn, or if you have any interest or any experience related to supply chain in your current job, you can become a expert in supply chain management. You can start learning supply chain management. You become an expert in that particular product, and you can have a high level of understanding of finance, HR or commerce. Okay, so that is how it works. So I have given this is how it works. Okay, so now it's up to you where you want to go. So that means whether you want to become a CRM consultant or a ERP consultant. Both are equally hot spaces,
To be honest, in the current times, ERP is becoming more hot because Microsoft is aggressively pushing ERP products, and many customers are actually now want to change their existing ERP systems with Microsoft system, because Microsoft systems are easily can be integrated with their other applications, because most of the organizations are Microsoft shop. They use Microsoft 365, your Word, SharePoint, all those stuff, right? So integrating with their existing infrastructure, existing Microsoft infrastructure is very easy. It's all native. So people don't want to complicate their IT ecosystem. So that's how that is the situation. So you can decide on whether you want to become a CRM professional or if you want to become a ERP professionals. There are people who are pure CRM professionals, and we will shortly see what are the kind of roles available for CRM professionals, etc. And there are people who are purely ERP professionals. We also see the number of the kind of roles available for ERP professionals shortly. And there are people who know both CRM and ERP, okay, which is a very rare breed, okay. But if you have a capacity to absorb all these the concepts, everything, you can become that. So you will be respected in the industry, okay. So and from a role perspective, there is a functional space who work with the stakeholders. There will be a technical space where a technical architect, solution architect will be there, and there are developers. These are the three core roles which are present in this area, okay. So now let's go to this tab. So these are I am in now learn.microsoft.com. So Microsoft offers completely free learnings of these applications on their website, okay. There are paid virtual trainings as well, and if you register with Microsoft, Microsoft keeps doing the events or webinars or the online events where they keep training people on various their products. So you need to subscribe to, you can search somewhere in the Microsoft website, for example, see, these are events. If you go to events page, you can search for the training events, and you can register for those training events, and they will send you an email and the joining link, and you can join to those training events. So in this portal you can see browse all Dynamics 365 learning paths, okay. So Microsoft automatically gives you a learning path based on your needs. For example, like we were discussing earlier, right? We want to become, if you want to become a sales expert, Dynamics 365 sales product expert. So for that, Microsoft provides its own learning path, modules, everything, and a related certification, right? So when you have this learning and certification, you will be like skilled, you will be having a good understanding of the product. Now you are ready to get the job, a job in this space. So you can join any of the projects which is into Microsoft Dynamics 365 product implementation, right? And to learn this Dynamics 365, you can also spin a trial, okay. Dynamics 365 trials, okay. So here start a Dynamics 365 free trial. In this website you can actually spin a free trial. For example, sales, service, marketing and field service, etc. You can actually spin a trial, wherever it is written as free for free, try for free. You can freely actually register register the environment with your email ID, personal email ID, and create a a Microsoft 365 ID if required, and you can spin a trial and you can explore. Okay, and in my one of the videos where I explain about Dynamics 365 project operations, right, in my channel, you can look for it, or you can I put the link here in this video. So there in the beginning I have explained about how to spin a trial. You can look into that video to how to create a trial, or you can search for many videos that are available on YouTube on how to create a trial. Okay, and most importantly, some of these commerce and finance applications, right, the project operations sometimes and supply chain management, they actually sometimes ask for your credit card details to spin the trial. Okay, so they will not charge you anything, but they may need the credit card. It's up to you if you want to give the credit card details or not, or if you can ask your organization to provide a free trial environment for you to explore, or you can request Microsoft to give you a free trial as well. But normally you may have to give the credit card details once and you can spin a trial. Okay, so that is how it is set up. But they will never charge you any money. Okay, so you don't have to worry, you can trust the Microsoft. So coming back to this portal where you can actually browse all your Dynamics 365 learning paths. So basically the path to learn this application is you have to spin a trial, or you have to be learn these products, and there are model tests also they have given, so you can answer those tests and you become confident about the product, and you have to spin a trial, and you have to navigate to the product, and you have to create some of the data, or if you want to become a developer, whatever the tasks assigned in the courses, you can do that, all the stuff. You can also avail do the certification. Certification is a paid activity. So if your organization has a Microsoft vouchers, if your organization is a partner organization to Microsoft, you will get a free certification sponsored by your organization, or else you have to buy those certifications from the Microsoft site, and you have to give the examination to become a certified. Okay, so you can also join to this Microsoft Dynamics 365 community, okay, etc. You can explore this. I have already discussed about this virtual training days, trainings provided by Microsoft Dynamics 365, etc. So now see, I have clicked explore all Dynamics 365 learning paths, right? See, I have selected only Dynamics 365 here. Okay, so now before we go further here, okay, I was thinking whether to do, okay, we will do that. See, for example, we were talking about the certifications and roles, right? So this is the page where Microsoft talks about the certifications for different roles in Dynamics 365. Okay, so Dynamics 365 fundamentals for ERP, Dynamics 365 fundamental for CRM. So anyone can do this certification. Okay, so if you want to be part of CRM, you can do this. If you want to learn ERP, you can do this. If you want to do both, you can do this. Not together, I mean one by one. Okay, see the role of functional consultants. What are the certifications available here? Dynamics 365 Business Central, this is the certification for Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, which is a marketing product. They keep renaming the products, that also you have to keep in mind. So for this, these two are the certifications available. Customer Service and Field Service, these two are the certifications. Finance, Sales, Supply Chain Management, etc. For the role of Solution Architects, so these are the certifications available. And for business owners and business users, these are the fundamental courses available. And if you are a business analyst, you have the courses, the certifications available, like Power Platform, App Maker, Associate. Okay. And for if you want to be a developers, these are the certifications available. And if you want to be a CRM developer, you should know .NET, C#, JavaScript. These are the key core skills which is required. And if you want to be a Dynamics 365 ERP developer, you should know X++ code, to be able to customize the ERP applications. Okay, so basically the core role, as we can see, is developers, business analysts. Business owners are basically, this is for customers, for the customer end. It is not for service providers. See, business users are the business users from the customer side. Business owners are the stakeholders basically. So the key roles available in this Dynamics 365, like I was saying earlier as well: functional consultants of various these applications, solution architects, okay, and business analysts and developers. These 4 key roles are available in the area of Dynamics 365 as well. Okay, now coming back to this portal, see here I have filtered with Dynamics 365 only. So you have a complete a module for responsible AI principles, the AI, several modules are available. For example, see, you can filter the learning paths by roles here. See, for example, let me go with the functional consultant. Okay, functional consultant. So for the Dynamics 365 functional consultant, okay, and within Dynamics 365, which area you want to select. For example, I don't want to be in ERP, but I want to be in I want to be in let's say sales, okay, customer service, field service, and marketing. Okay, these 2. Okay, these are the areas I want to master myself, or I want to understand. Okay, so as a functional consultant, I want to learn these projects. So let's understand one by one. Okay, so let's remove other things, these customers, because we have to learn one by one, right? So as a functional consultant, as a sales, these are the options available for as a salesperson to learn. Okay, these are all small modules. Okay, you have to learn all those things from a types. So if you want to see learning path, okay, so now these are the learning paths. Okay, a complete module. For example, let's you can also explore this website on your own. I'm just giving you one example here, and we will close it at that. Okay, for example, work with Dynamics 365 sales. This is the learning path if you want to become a Dynamics 365 expert in the sales module. See, it is a 8-hour 32 minutes course. Okay, so you click on this. This is the learning path. Okay, so intermediate level it is for a functional consultant, Dynamics 365 functional consultant for sales. Okay, so you can start here. Prerequisites is basic understanding of how to navigate the Dynamics 365 application, familiarity with creating and managing lead opportunities, etc. So all these basics things, they will teach you. First, overview of sales products, navigate. See, 10 minutes. 10 minutes in the for 10 minutes they will teach you how to navigate in Dynamics 365 sales, etc. So you don't have to worry about that. So complete course it is. And if you completed this learning path, and once you complete this path, you are eligible, you can take this exam MB 210 Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales Functional Consultant as a certification. If you click on the certification, see, this is a paid 165 USD. You have to pay for it and schedule exam, and if your organization can sponsor this, you can do that as well. And also you have to mention that, see, wherever such warnings are there, this exam certification will retire on November 30th 2024, and basically, they keep changing the certifications. Okay, so you need to see whether these certifications are valid for next 1 year or not. Okay, so instead of wasting money, so you can go here and see, learn more about new Microsoft credentials, right? So they have several certifications that will come, so you can learn about that. Okay, so I'm not going to talk about which certification you have to do, etc. So whatever Microsoft offers, you can do the certification, and I'm not forcing you to do certification. Okay, certification is optional. If you have money, you can do that. If you can afford it, you can do that. And if your organization supports it, or if your organization sponsors it, you can do it. But certification offers you the focused learning, of course, and a kind of an added credential to your CV. And obviously, it can help you, but it is not a must. Okay, so ultimately, your knowledge, right, is what matters. So that's how it is. So coming back to this is how the learning path. You have all this how to set up and configure. Okay, so similarly for a developer, for solution architect, for other roles as well, they have this. Microsoft has provided the learning paths. Okay, by learning path, by subjects, which subjects you want to be, level also they have provided. If you go to beginner level, you will get the basics of those products. Intermediate, advanced levels, you will get complicated stuff there. And from a role perspective, as a administrator, app maker, business analyst, business owner, business user, functional consultant, solution architect, as a student, so you can choose the role which you are going to perform, and accordingly you can filter and you can start the learning part. And understand that all these learnings are free in Microsoft portal, website. And now this is only for sales. So once you complete this sales, now you can get into customer service and you can learn. Okay, so if you go to let's move out of sales. If you go to customer service, so you have 16 results again. Work with cases in Dynamics 365 customer service. It's again 6-hour course, 6 hour 11 minutes course. So that way, and it will have its own. This will help you to acquire exam MB 230 examination. Okay, so likewise, if you go to let's say finance, Dynamics 365 finance learning path. Okay, configure and use general ledger in Dynamics 365 finance. 15 hours 6 minutes. Okay, 27 results. Get started with finance and operation applications. 11-hour course. I told you, right? ERP applications are vast. You can master any one application and have high level understanding of other applications. But in CRM, all applications are small applications. So you can master all these applications. That will improve your job perspective. You can't say that I know only sales, the rest of customer service I don't know, so I cannot. So you will only limiting your the job opportunities. So in CRM, if you want to go, you can master all those products. Okay, your sales, customer service, field service, and marketing, and if possible project operations as well. And if you want to get into ERP, you can master, expert in any one of the application, let's say finance, and you have high level understanding of other applications, SCM, HR, or commerce, etc. And if you want to learn Business Central, you can do that as well. But see, you cannot learn everything, every Dynamics 365 product. Okay, so that is not the intent, and no one knows all the products. Okay, so you have to decide. Once again, I'm saying, you have to decide where you want to go, either in CRM or ERP. Within CRM, you can learn all those 4 applications, that is clear. Okay, and within ERP, you decide which application you want to master and which applications you want to have a high level understanding. That's it. So I think that's it from my end for today. I have not touched upon any Power Apps related aspects today. I will do a separate video on those, on that aspect. Today I just wanted to show you how you can freely learn these Dynamics 365 applications, leveraging Microsoft website, and get certified and get into Microsoft Dynamics 365 space, which is very hot now. And especially the technical roles are very hot. Functional roles comes into the next position, where a lot of competitions is there, and solution architect role is hot. See, it is a very niche space and very competitive space as well, and the paychecks are also very good. So all the best for your learning journey. I hope this video has given you some insights about learning Dynamics 365 applications, and let me know in the comment section if you need any further guidance or any points I have missed, or if any video you want me to do on any topics related to Dynamics 365. Please do comment and share this. Please do subscribe, share, and support my channel. Thank you very much.